Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 3 of being isolated and virtual learning, or day 2, because we're going to start on day 2 today. So I just kind of wanted to go over the day 2 lesson. I did a little bit of highlighting in here so we could have an idea of what some of these words mean. So under the reading and writing, it says read a fiction story or article of choice and complete a plot map. Be sure to include the setting, characters, and main event. So the reason I highlighted that is because some parents might get confused, or students, on if they need to have a book, a passage, an article, or what. So this is, if it says a story or an article, those are going to be the ones that that you can either pick out your own. There's a bunch of different articles and stories in here. Some of these will be used later, or you can just do your own story, your own book, whatever you want to do. But you do need to make it fictional because you are going to create a plot map. And a plot map is either you can make it look like this, which the students are really familiar with in my class, where they put their name, title, setting, character, and then conflict and resolution. Or they can do it more like this, and this is where you start. You start over here in the beginning, like what happened in the beginning of the story, and then tell about the setting, the characters, what happened in the middle of the story. That's normally when you'll see like a conflict. What was the failed solution? What was the resolution? So what it happened the first time, it didn't work. How did they solve it finally? And then what happened at the end? Normally there's like a lesson or a moral. You don't have to do that, and it's really up to you which kind of graphic organizer you want to use. I will be posting a picture of how I set this up on the Remind page, and I will be posting this plot map as well on the Remind page. So the next thing it says is you're going to do another game or play another partner game, one of those math games. And you had this yesterday too, but I didn't really talk about it. You'll have like a word problem each day that you're trying to solve. Parents, try to ask your kids, they're going to probably ask you, what am I doing? Adding or subtracting, or what am I doing? Try for them to figure that out by reading the question again and really visualizing it. And again, go on to Dreambox, tell us what games you played. Over here, you're going to read the passage, Simple Machines. This is not the same as day 1, where it had you reading a booklet. A booklet is going to look like this one. And you're going to be reading the passage, Simple Machines. And that passage looks like this. And then you're going to do the activities after.